Hi, my name is Bernard Emejuru. This is GPS 732 Community Assessment. Week 4 assignment, my priority health problems. Um, my week 4 assignment priority health problems includes lack of insurance. Number 2, low household income. Number 3, high infant mortality. Number 4, poverty. Number 5, unemployment. Number 6, high cost of housing. And number 7, violent crime. Second slide shows the map of New York State. You can see counties that are located in the map, colored differently. My county is actually the one on red. That's Delaware, Brownsville. It has very high rate of no insurance, 24 to 38%. Compare that to other counties that have 8 to 17%, 10 to 20%, and 21 to 23%. Ours are so high. That means that we're not doing well at all. We have low insurance on our residents. Number 3 slides is the slides of infant mortality rates in the counties. Same coloration. You can see my county is the one on red, Brownsville, 6.1 to 9.0, the highest. An infant mortality rate per 1,000 live births. Compare that to other counties around. You can see they have lower, the light gray, and colorations are very low in rates, 1.0 to 2.8, 2.9 to 4.4, and 4.5 to 6.0 for other counties. While mine is way up there, 6.1 to 9.0. Another slide I also like to showcase briefly is the slide of poverty by race and ethnicity. You can see the coloration of the black race, the Hispanics, the other races, white, Asian, Native, and Islanders. It's obvious you can see the highest number of poverty lies within the African American group race. Almost 60% of them are poor by race and ethnicity, followed by the Hispanics, which is about approximately 21%, and the white people less than 10%. Asian, Native Americans, and Islanders are relatively very low. And the next slide is my references. Thank you very much for this little presentation. Bye.